Good morning, dear students. Now the continuation of the revision of lines and angles. Look here. Now there are three parallel lines, and an angle is given like this. The lines A, B, C, D, and E, F. They are parallels. We want to find the angle PQR. It is given as this is 115 and this is 14. You look at the angles. Are you ready? The question is to find angle PQR. So, angle PQD equal to angle PQD and angle QPB. Both of them are angles on the same side of parallels. Otherwise, co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Therefore, angle PQD equal to 180 minus 115. Your answer is 65. Is it clear? So this angle is 65. And angle QRE and angle RQD, both of them are alternate interior angle. Look at the position. So angle DRQ or RQD equal to, that's 40. Okay. So what is angle PQR? The question is to find angle PQR. Angle PQR equal to 65 plus 40. That's equal to 105 degree. Is it clear? Okay. Next, it's an example in question number 101. Question number 101. Okay. Now in 103, there are three parallel lines given. Three parallel lines and a line which is perpendicular. It is, look at here, A, C and the name B. Sorry, E. The point is E. And here is a line B, D and E. It is given 55 degrees here. And the unknown angles are X, Y and Z. The picture is given. Here these three lines are parallel. And it is given this is perpendicular. Here it is perpendicular. Are you ready? If the look at the three lines are parallel, here it is perpendicular means these angles are perpendicular. Angle E, angle C, angle A, all of them are perpendicular. Is it over? And the total angle is 90 degree. X plus 55 equal to 90 degree. So X is equal to 90 minus 55. Is it correct? That's equal to 35 degree. So one of the answer is 35 degree. And how can we find Y? Y plus 55. Look at the figure. Y plus 55 is 180 degree. They are angles on the same side of parallels. They are supplementary. Otherwise, co-interior angles are supplementary. Y is equal to 180 minus 55. That's equal to 125 degree. And Y and Z, look at the position. They are corresponding angles. So angle Y equal to angle Z equal to 125 degree. So Y equal to Z equal to 125 degree. X is equal to 35 degree. Is it out? And the picture is given in the figure, that is in 103. In the same page there is an exercise. There is two parallel lines are given. Here there is a transversal. Look here. This angle is 50. Find X, Y and Z. Are you ready? They are linear pairs. So X plus Y equal to 180. Sorry, X plus 50 equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 50 equal to 130. Is it clear? And you look at the position. Here 50 and Z, both of them are equal because they are corresponding angles. Given these lines are parallel. So, if this angle is 50, Z is also 50. Similarly, X and Y, they are alternate interior angles. Therefore, X is equal to Y is equal to 130. Is it out? X equal to Y equal to 130. Next, look at the three lines. Look at here. Three lines, they are parallel. And there is a transfer. Given that the lines are parallel, Here the question is x, y and z. And it is given x is to z is, just minute, 2 is to 7. Are you ready? X, y and z. You see that? X is equal to y and this angle is also equal. So, x plus z is, otherwise, if you get this answer, you get the corresponding angles here, here and here. All of them are equal. Similarly, x is equal to y equal to this angle. So, x plus z is equal to 180 degree. You see that? Because the lines are parallel. If x is equal to 2x, then automatically z is equal to 7x. 2x plus 7x, that's equal to 180. 9x equal to 180. X equal to 180 by 9, that's equal to 20. So the value of x equal to, it is 2x. 2 into 24. Okay. So y and x are corresponding angles. So y is also equal to 40. And z, x plus z is, otherwise z is equal to 7x. Z is equal to 7 into 20, that's equal to 120 and 140 degree. Is it clear? Okay. That's also a problem in the exercise. And so you just try page number 103, exercise 6.2, question number 1. Okay. Then page number 104, question number 2, 3 and 4. Already you completed the problems. Okay. So do it once again. This is a revision. So listen carefully the video and do all the problems in the textbook. I will give you detail later. Okay. All the best. പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് കുറച്ച് ദിവസമേ ഉള്ളൂ. പ്രിപ്പയർ വെൽ. ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്.